I'm here with the 2001 Audi TT, 5-valve turbo, Quattro all-wheel drive, dual exhaust. This is a gorgeous car. There's no door dings, no dents, no scratches in the paint. You can see a reflection in the paint. It's the best color. The door panels are perfect. You got Bose premium sound. There are no rips, holes, tears, or stains, or odors in the interior. Perfect carpet. Side airbags. No cracks in the dash. Super clean car. No wear on the bolsters. All the stitching's perfectly intact. This is really neat. This is the radio. Also got navigation, touchscreen, and it has a built-in receiver for a rear view camera. There's your faceplate there. You've got your ESP, dual heated seats. Air blows nice and cold. 6-speed manual transmission. Here are your controls for your fuel door, trunk. If you lift the armrest, you'll see the controls for the locks and convertible functions. These are the controls for the windows, they're kind of hidden, and then power mirrors as well. Let's start the car. Starts right up. This is 69,000 miles. Idle's nice and smooth. Alright, I'm going to put the top up. Alright. And now it's up. Florida, here at the Breckenridge Golf and Tennis Club. Really neat. We're neutral. I'll pop the hood. You can hear what it sounds like. Very quiet car. Makes full turbo boost, spools excellently. Engine's clean enough to be off of. Nice thick sway bar here. The car handles like a dream. Let's go ahead and take her for a spin. In first gear. AC blows nice and cold. Even as we drive through this construction area off-road, there's no bumps or any funky sounds in the well, that's neat. Okay. That's how you trim the air up or down. Really cool. Interesting. Temperature, fan speed. The manual in this particular model is effortless to shift. I don't know if you heard as we came to a stop, the brakes don't squeak.
Okay. And now we're on the highway.
Going about 70 miles an hour right there. Slowing down, we're in third gear. Fourth right now. And the car just drives very well. The alignment's straight, very smooth. Thanks for checking out the car. If you have any questions, give us a call. It's 239-432-0800. That's 239-432-0800. Thanks a lot.